What are the main features of this product?
Yeah. So what happens? So there are three types of customers, if I can explain. One is a set of tools where you can backtest with before putting your hard-earned money. If you can get access to tools जो आपकी knowledge को test करके बता दे, if you would have done this, how much money you would have made. So such tools are there, were there in developed markets, but उनको use करने के लिए भी you have to write some programming, like you need to know Ruby, Python, Perl script, so that you can, or else you need to have a programmer friend, so that you can, before you enter markets, you can test your hypothesis. नहीं तो most of the people lose money and then they learn the hard way. So half of the guys lose money and they are out of markets, right? So एक तो ऐसा backtesting engine was very important. So that was our first tool which we came without writing any programming, without writing any code. You can backtest your strategies without losing your hard-earned money. तो आपको पता लग जाता है Indian context में how this strategy will perform and not, right? So दूसरा था, if you, the other we call it as scanners, screeners. So you may have some fundamental attributes or technical attributes or quant analysis attribute. Most of the guys who are not full-time traders like a tool कि I can configure my trading strategy or investing strategy. Whenever any stock meets those criteria, alert me, so that I don't have to watch the charts full day, right? I may have a different day job. Or if I am a full-time trader also, I may not want to waste my time just looking at the screen 8 hours a day, right? So we created a cloud-based product. That time it was the first cloud-based product where you configure your strategy. You may be log off, you may not be in front of the computer also. Someone else is running that strategy for you every 5 minutes, 2 minutes, right? So any stock which meets your trading ideology, you will be alerted, आपको SMS आ जाएगा, you will get a notification, and then you can call your broker and trade. So this was like, one is a backtesting engine, one is a scanners, so that it gives you complete freedom from the terminal. You don't have to waste your time just watching the stocks, watching the charts, and emotionally carried away. Half of the people lose money in markets because वो अपने trades होने के बाद उसको देखते रहते हैं, तो emotionally attach हो जाते हैं, and then they are not able to uh, book losses, or basically they book the profit very early. तो ये psychological parameters को ये features काफी अच्छे से handle कर लेते हैं. And the slowly then we realized these two features were main, but this were only appreciated by guys who were very active traders. तो धीरे धीरे फिर हमने ऐसे फीचर्स बनाने की स्टार्ट किया जो थोड़े न्यू बीस के लिए अच्छा है, जो मार्केट्स को थोड़ा टेक्निकल्स नहीं भी आता है, फंडामेंटल नहीं भी आता है. So that we call as dashboards. So there's a very thin difference between a tip and a dashboard. Dashboard pe we provide all the information, take away information, this options data ka, we analyze everything, but we don't convert into a trade. That is something you should have your own risk appetite to take a trade. So we are not into tips and all, we just provide all the info. So dashboards are very popular right now on our website, because some people who are new to markets, we actually tell them what is the opinion from the technical parameters, how the stock is looking. But ultimately you have to use your risk appetite to trade. और एक हमारा फिर फोर्थ फीचर विच आई कॉल इज द टीसी एकेडमी. जो नए लोग हैं जो सब्जेक्ट को समझना चाहते हैं, वी हैव आवर इनिशिएटिव वेयर वी ट्राई टू टीच देम दिस सब्जेक्ट. Whatever time we can get take away from our schedule, we do some workshops, some free webinars, some paid webinars, so that people can learn and do informed trading, so that they don't lose their hard earned capital, because equity markets and all, most of the people lose money because they are not prepared for what they are trying to do. So the main features are scanners, backtesting tools, options tools. We do a lot of options dashboard, put call chart, options pane. So we have a very आप अपनी option strategies को test कर सकते हैं. And then we have made a product, we are broker agnostic. हम we are not brokers, पर हमने plugins लगा रखे हैं कि अगर आप जो भी broker ने APIs दे रखी है वहाँ पे आप you can actually trade also with that broker. But we are an analysis tool. So our tagline is we are your best friend in markets. So क्योंकि we don't have any vested interest in your trading, so we are a tools company in that way. We provide the tools which traders use it, and hopefully they are successful traders comparatively.
How your product is priced and it is a good value for money?
So we had to charge for it because it was a bootstrap company. So हमने क्या किया, we have kept a lot of features free for guys who are very like the common analysis things we have kept it free, but the advanced features like backtesting tools, scanners, automatic alerts, all those things we have priced. So that the guys who are using their their real traders will pay for it, but the guys who are just observing or coming trying to gauge a market, unke liye product free hai, they should learn it and then only become active trader. So we are priced in a way. There are three types of slab. One is premium, one is basic we call. Basic is around like 500 rupees a month, and premium goes to like around 1000 to 1500 rupees a month. So that's the two pricing we have.
And what is the
6000
number
rupees
base?
a year. Sorry.
What is the number base of free and paid subscribers?
Paid subscribers will be in few thousands right now, but of course, because not everyone pays, registration user base and all is much like 10,000 guys will be active, but I think few thousands maybe the paid guys, and the premium to basic ratio will be like 70% will be premium and 30% will be basic, because most of the guys who come on Traders Cockpit will take basic, but they will upgrade because I think value for money, because in trading, one trade will cost you that much. So I think the people who have the ability to pay. But of course, there is a very small segment right now in India. My market size is not that big. Everyone is a informed trader. So market size is a problem, but people paying for a tool which is giving him real money is not a problem. That's what I feel.
How many versions you have brought since the launch?
So it's an evolving product. In product development, we say you never stop coding. So I launched it in 2011-12 because it's a SaaS product. This is not like a desktop app or something where we count the versions. We actually give builds every month, every 2 months, right? So every customer was a very informed user of the product. There are lots. I think initial 500 guys must have given us so much feedback. All those we have incorporated in last 4-5 years. So version wise, if I can say, every quarter we definitely come up with something new. That's something which we want to keep the pace. The product launch hua tha, I think the update frequency was every month. Every month we used to optimize something and give a new feature. Now because the product is very mature, the build cycle is like 3 to 6 months sort of a thing, because most of the things have been built for last 5-7 years. But the technology keeps changing, new ideas come. So we have an active technology team which listens to the customer, and we have a section where customers can give feedback. And if we think this feature can be useful for multiple people, we take it up. If it's only one-on-one, we can try to solve the problem by talking to him, customizing only for him. We convert a feature, customer feedback to a feature if it's a common feedback. We had a voting technology in a way customers can vote for what features they want, and the most maximum vote we used to basically convert into a feature. That's what initial first 3-4 years we were very active in talking to customer. Once the product is very mature, now most of the things are already part of the things.
How this product has performed in making money for traders?
See, so that's an interesting thing. But what happens, because as I told, we are broker agnostic, So I was just trying to tell, one is the measure of our people who continue to subscribe. We talk to our customers, the paid customers. So we get feedback. If you have a trading ideology or a trading philosophy, mostly your chances of being successful in markets is more. But we'll be launching the automated portfolio management services. Then we will get your authentic access to your portfolio. Right now, because we are not brokers, the channel is broken. So it will be not correct for me to tell you. I can't give you the exact number, how many guys make what sort of money, because I don't know. One subscriber maybe trading capital maybe 10 lakhs, someone's maybe trading capital maybe 1 crore. That access we don't have, because we are a subscription based software service.
I'll put the question other way. How many subscribers are your repeated subscribers? How much business is repeat business?
Correct. So repeated, I think this we definitely measure. So one thing is, like, of course, the number will be around 50% or around that. In markets, what happens? Some people will come back to you. Maybe see the yearly subscription. Definitely, we have a more higher number of subscription renewals, because these are the guys who have given 1 year. In between, they might have got busy, but they must have consistently used the software for at least 6 to 9 months. So their renewal percentage is much more than a monthly or a 2 month or a 3 month, because initially we give 3 months and 1 month also, so that the person understands the product. There, the subscription renewal will not be significantly higher than 50%. There are two reasons to it. One is because he or she may not be, they take a subscription, then they realize they don't understand this subject. So they become a lead for our training programs, because if you don't understand the jargons like price to earning, Ichimoku, RSI, MACD, जो भी ये tools use करता है, if you don't know that, how will you use the tool, right? So sometimes what happens, people subscribe and later they figure out, then they learn, and then they come back. So the repeated subscription, if you measure in couple of years, it will be 70-80%. But immediately, month on month, maybe the rate will be around 50%. Because some people come out of the market, come back. So we acquire our customers sometime after 6 months again. So in that way, renewal will be much, much higher. But sometimes month on month, that rate may be 50%.
What is the feedback of your clients?
So yeah, so I think we are one of the few companies. We have, I think, more than 1,500 or 2,000 public reviews, I think, on a couple of forums. So that, I think, the rating is pretty. So that has kept us going, because a good feedback and appreciation from the people who love you keeps you motivate and do well, right? So I think the people who would use the product are our fans. But of course, what I just hope, if more and more people understand this subject, because in India, half of the guys think stock market and all is gambling, right? So that mindset, I think slowly in like after COVID, the traffic and all on our website has doubled, because most of the guys now may have time to analyze all these things and they are looking for alternative sources. So I think if the clients, our customers are, I think our average rating will be 4.5 out of 5. The guys who use it, but I just wish the market size increases so that we'll be able to solve pain points of the many other things. Because I think this type of tools, people will love it if you know the subject. That's the only thing what I'm just trying to make.
Are you into stocks or also in commodities?
Yeah, so Traders Cockpit is into stocks, and we had a commodity portal also. But lately, commodity portal we are not, because what we did was we launched another product which is a multi-asset product. But there we had Fund Expert is the name of the product, in which you have mutual funds and all those things, the other derivatives of equity. Commodity we have taken out for some time now, because in commodity, I think the retail segment thing. I think we were very more the subject what we were teaching. We were able to give more case studies of equity than commodity, because we ourselves are not commodity traders. So we have, for now, it is in a stealth mode. It's in a free mode. We don't, but it's not very active on our website. Most of the traders what we get are equity traders or mutual fund subscribers. So Traders Cockpit is trading, and the mutual fund is Fund Expert. So we have added other asset classes, but in Fund Expert. In Traders Cockpit, it's only equity.
How do you get the inner feel of a trader to develop the product?
Okay. How do you get an inner feel of?
Trader to develop the product.
To develop a product means, here when you say a product, a strategy, or Traders Cockpit as a product?
Overall, risk versus returns.
Huh. So that's what I was saying. So this subject of market analysis, right? I think perseverance and patience is the only, what I can tell you from my experience. There's no strategy in this world which is 100% fruitful, right? I have tested, I think on my platform, there are some 70,000 strategies which have been backtested. There will not be a single strategy which gives money all the time. So the thing is, the trader has to understand what is the strength of his strategy, in which type of markets, what is the weakness, what is the right time to rebalance and optimize the strategy. If we like to teach all these things, but if the trader knows all these basic things, then he's very successful in using the product, because he knows what risk he's taking, because the risk reward he only knows. This strategy in my backtesting has showed it gives this sort of risk reward, right? So when you are losing money, this is the maximum I can lose. My 100 rupees can become 85 rupees. It will not go below 85. So you will persist with your strategy. Otherwise, you will be out, and maybe the markets are good, you will lose money, right? So I think backtesting your strategy upfront gives you what is the drawdown of my strategy, how much money can I make, how much loss I can do, how much consecutive losses I can do in this strategy. आपको अगर सारी चीजें पहले पता है तो आप डरेंगे नहीं, जब स्ट्रैटेजी लाइव होगी आप पैनिक नहीं करेंगे, तो आप बिलीव करेंगे अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी पे, और बिलीव करने से ही पैसा बनता है. मतलब इफ यू नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, you will not panic when you are not doing well. So I think most of the guys lose money and they're out of markets, and then they come up with a new strategy, then they lose money. तो strategy change करते रहते हैं. उससे अच्छा होता है एक strategy को अच्छे से optimize करे, backtest करे, optimize करे, backtest करे, optimize करे, and then you play with real money. So you will be more chances of the you is more successful compared to people जो सुन के आते हैं और नई नई चीजें try करते हैं.
Have you sold this product to NRIs also?
It's a cloud product, na? So there will be some Indians who are working abroad and they subscribe to our software. So like 10%, I can tell you from Google data, Google Analytics data, my 15% traffic comes from outside India. So I can safely say 15% guys are using outside, but primarily they're Indians who are like basically who are active in Indian markets. Well, we have not added a NASDAQ or a Dow Jones to our product right now. You can only invest in, you can analyze Indian stocks. तो अगर मैं यूएस में भी बैठा हूँ तो I my interest is Indian equities. So that like that 10-15% people are there who have time because their working hours will be different abroad. So they use Traders Cockpit for their Indian investment, 10-15%.
How your product is comparable with international products?
So international products, of course, when we launched, we did a lot of benchmarking. As I told, India में उस समय ये products ज़्यादा थे नहीं. अब बहुत कंपनीज बना रही है एंड ब्रोकर्स भी आ रहे हैं लास्ट 2-3 साल में जो इन प्रोडक्ट्स की दे अप्रिशिएट दिस प्रोडक्ट, बट इनिशियली आवर ओनली बेंचमार्क वाज ग्लोबल प्रोडक्ट्स. सो व्हाटएवर वी हैव मेड इज बाय बेंचमार्किंग दोस गाइस, लाइक so there were a lot of global products outside. I'm talking about 2011-12. So our idea was to compete, like basically have the quality of that level. That was our benchmark. First 3-4 years, that was. Now there are some Indian companies that say for options there's a couple of products which has come, but initially it was all global. So I can strongly like India, but with a global. We actually have gone to a few countries, Eastern Europe and in Asia, to talk about like how we can integrate your asset classes with this. So I think of course we have not, because that requires you need to set up offices there and all. All that testing was we are part of some accelerators, incubators. So we have actually successfully demonstrated. What I did was I removed the NSE pipe and I integrated with their capital markets data. Suppose if like NSE, you will have exchange everywhere. No? So data, so the good thing was because it's a machine learning, it automatically learns everything and analyze stocks of that market. So product is of global appeal because we have gone and demonstrated. But of course, we are still looking forward when we'll expand to other geographies and all. So product is because from a software, I am being like my core team is like very experienced technology team. So and it's been surviving for so many years. So we can strongly feel the product is good. Otherwise, till now, there were a lot of issues would have been identified by the customers. It's a very complex technical problem. आपको एक cloud पे हजारों strategies एक साथ test करना होता है. I'm not using your power of your computer, na? I'm using the power of the server, and you are only on your browser. So it has to be a very good technology. Otherwise, it will not work.
How much investment and labor has gone into developing this product?
So see, I think the time is the biggest investment. I think initial bootstrapping and all. So couple of like initial investment was there, I think, from the founders, and whatever profits we have earned, we reinvested in it. So I think we should have invested few crores in the initial year, a couple of years, and then I think the product started earning and we reinvested the earnings. So that we can't call it as a, because whatever you are earning, you are building the product. But initial capital for the first 2 years, definitely a few crores should have gone from the founders, and there were a couple of friends and family who invested initial part. But afterwards, it's because we started subscription, we started earning because we were not able to raise funds to that level where we could have taken this product global and all. So we went slow. We started earning, reinvesting and all. It's not like a very funded startup that time, like I'm talking about 2013-14. That time I was not able to raise funds to scale it up because I think the market size was not very lucrative. Now there are a lot of products which are coming.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
Your product is as good as your team. So I think the team is what we really are proud of is are like the see the one is the technology team, which is my strength. So many guys were there from my previous startup. So technology team is fine, but I think the sales team also, there are a few guys who are sticking around with us for last so many years. The main difference is like, because I think how we have, because they also understand, they are now, we can proudly call them, they are technical analysts, because they have understand the power of this subject. So they will never try to do a mis-selling or sort of a thing. If you're looking for a tips or a ready-made strategy, something like that, mostly you will not end up subscribing on Traders Cockpit. So I think we have trained our team in a way to never do a mis-selling, try to tell the power of the subject. Either they will know, they will subscribe, or if they want to learn, they will learn on their own and come back to us. That's the way I think so I think our support team is also very hands-on subject matter experts in that.
What is the secret of your success?
I think this is a long way to go, but I think it's perseverance. I think there was time initially when we launched. Not many people believed in this subject because they think the market is very small. I went to so many brokers. They were not ready for subscribing to this because I thought I will give this product to them and they can take to their customers. When I didn't get any success from them, I went B2C. I directly went to the customers. So I think that if you believe in what you have done and you think the time will come and all, you have to support your thinking. You have to support the team. You have to believe. You have to keep motivating your team to believe in your idea. So in one word, it's perseverance. Because if the product is good, maybe the time you may be a little bit early. Traders Cockpit, maybe it was a little bit early of its time, so we have to basically fight out a little bit more years. If I would have started 3 4 years back, it would have been a little bit early. So that perseverance is very important. So sometimes timing is not in our hand because some things we are externally dependent on, internet penetration, the market performance, all those things is not in my control. But what is in your control is make a good product, have a good intention, serve the customers. If it's good, you will get the success.
Any other important point or highlight or story you may like to share?
I just hope keep yeah, nothing from like things from like I think I can from my experience I can say like it's a very interesting subject. But of course, if you give some time, any skills what you want to learn, you have to give some time. In stock markets, people I think don't think you can learn this and then trade. Unfortunately, 30 years, 20 years pale, it was a little bit easier to make money. So I think nowadays it's a well-defined subject. There are people we do so like there are so many degrees what you can do in certifications what you can do. So it's a subject in its own. So I think if you are inspired by stock market because it's a huge data analytics game. It's very interesting. So you should give some effort to learn the subject and then enter the market so that your chances of sticking around will be much more rather than just trying your luck. If you don't have anything to do, let's try stock market. That attitude has to change. I think then the stock market will reward you well. That's what I feel.